Hello guys, welcome to Materials World. We hope you all are safe and fine. This is Vivek and your host for today. Uh, Today we have B. Vinit who secured All India Rank 1 with his excellent strategies and hard work. So he'll be sharing about his own experiences, the strategies he followed, books, test series and everything. So let's nail it down. Hi Vinit, first of all, many congratulations to you.
Thank you, Vivek.
Okay, so first question, have you ever thought that you would be on Materials World interviewing yourself?
No, I have never thought about this.
Okay, so Vinit, tell our viewers something about yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is B. Vinit. I am from Bhilai. I have done my BTech in Metallurgical Engineering from NIT Raipur. Currently, I am in IIT Bombay. So, regarding the my GATE examination details, 2021 was my third attempt, and in GATE 2021, in MT paper, I have secured Air 1, and my GATE score was 923.
Okay, so what was your previous score?
In GATE 2020, I have secured Air 56, and my GATE score was 730.
Okay, so yeah, so since you are currently studying at IIT Bombay, pursuing your masters, so considering the immense pressure, the academic load we have at IIT Bombay, how did you manage? How did you manage from that academic load to prepare the GATE?
In IIT Bombay, I have taken the courses which is related to the GATE. Basically, in the IIT Bombay system is very friendly for the students. Like whatever you want to study in the IIT in MTech, you have an option to take that. So mostly, if you choose a material science stream, material science specialization in IIT Bombay MTech, then you have an option to access those courses which you are means mostly very important for the GATE. So along with the courses, my concepts were very clear, and also for the numericals, IIT Bombay assignments provided a lot of help to me in understanding the concept regarding the numericals and also in improving the accuracy. So this was my weakness, which I was suffering from my previous two attempts. So I means मैंने इस पे काम किया and I overcome my weakness and I scored this time very good marks in GATE due to the accuracy. So and regarding the time in during my MTech, I really faced a lot of struggle because I was new to this IIT curriculum and I faced a lot of struggle during the time regarding how to solve the assignments in within a given time frame along with how to manage the GATE. So I during the MTech I only focused on my MTech. After that I have got a time. I got a time in December and January. Then during that 2 months I generally gave a time to prepare for the GATE.
Okay. So ultimately, that helped. The MTech curriculum helped you to prepare that, right? And to build your concept
Yes, yes.
also. Okay, so the most important questions that all viewers seek to know is what was your preparation strategy? Means how many numbers of hours you put every day? Is there any timetable or schedule or something like what was? Yeah, we'll come on books later on. How did you maintain yourself to keep motivated? Like everyone struggles at it.
Yeah, regarding the GATE paper, so we have an option that if you clear the GATE with very good rank, like in metallurgy, if you got a rank in top 20, then you will get a chance to work in one of the R&D sectors like BIS, DRDO, BARC, and also if you will be able to manage the score like in top 50, then you will get a chance to do a job in PSU like SAIL, NALCO, and also you if you will not get a job, then don't worry that you will get a chance to do MTech in ISC and IIT Bombay. So these are my motivation to study the GATE. And also if you come towards my preparation strategy, in 2021 I have already my concepts were very clear. because I have already studied. I have already given the gate 2 attempts previously. So the only thing is that I'm only focused on the numericals, because numericals is the must for the gate. So I dedicated around 2 hours a day during my MTech for these numericals, along with the IITB assignments and all. Then in the month of February, I used to study 10 hours a day. Means I only studied a gate, I only study for the gate and also for the MTech for just 1 hour. And
Okay, so had you prepared any scheduled timetable? Means every day, how many hours or something like, or you just went with the flow?
no, I just went with the flow, because scheduling the timetable means you have to stick to that. And this was very difficult, because in IIT, you don't expect that you will get at a free time, because a professor will upload an assignment even at a midnight 12 p.m. So you have to be very cautious about that.
Okay. Yeah, that was expected answer. Okay. So the next thing I want to ask is yeah. So Vineet, in your point of view, what do you think? What is the correct time to start preparation for a junior, considering date 2022?
In the previous years, in the last year, you can see that the for the gate, you have an option to give appear for the gate examination in the third year. So I suggest that you should start your preparation from the second year onwards, because after the third year, you will get your syllabus complete in your BTech. So if you go along with your BTech curriculum, then after at the end of the third year, you will be at least 80% ready for the gate. I know one of the student, one of my known student, then he appeared for the gate in the third year and he got air 10. So I suggest that you should start from the second year. But if you haven't started for the preparation of the gate, then in the final year you can start from the May and just understand the concepts within 2-3 months, then prepare for the numerical part. That is important. So the students who want to get a very good rank below top 50, he must want guidance. If you really want to become the top ranker, then you must want guidance from your teacher or someone who has a experience, who has a better experience than you. So you can get motivation and guidance both from any faculty member or anyone like a teacher, senior, or friend who has appeared in the gate exam before, who has an experience of clearing the gate. Then only you will get a very good effort and you can create a very good attempt in your gate examination.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so the most important part that everyone will skip and want to hear was what was your favorite books, or what was the books the great aspirant must follow? If you can elaborate
So
in a detail.
yeah, let's come by detail with the detailed gate syllabus. So first of all, the thermodynamics is the most important subject for the metallurgy paper. Then if you come towards the metallurgy paper, though I think everyone must have seen the syllabus of the thermodynamics in the gate. So for thermodynamics, you have to prefer the Gaskell. Gaskell is the only important book for the thermodynamics for metallurgy from the years. And if you do not understand Gaskell, then you can prefer some Indian author books like B.S. Upadhyay and Ahindra Ghosh. Then come towards the transport phenomena. This transport phenomena syllabus is the newly introduced by the IIT Bombay in 2021. So from the metallurgy point of view, we don't have any particular book, but you can watch NPTEL videos and you can see the books of mechanical engineering, but you have to be very precise about the syllabus. Then come towards the corrosion part in the thermodynamics paper. So corrosion is not a means very basic subject to study that, but I suggest that you study Fontano and watch some NPTEL lectures so that you will understand the formulas and the concepts, some basic concepts. That was sufficient. And if come towards the physical metallurgy part, so for the physical metallurgy part, first thing is you must read the Callister. Callister is a very basic book for understanding the concepts of material science. Then go towards the V. Raghavan. V. Raghavan is a book by Indian author, and if you understand the concepts of material science, then apply the concepts by solving the practice problems given at the end of the each chapter in the V. Raghavan book. Then the physical metallurgy by V. Raghavan is also very good for understanding the basic concepts. Then let's move towards the other part, extractive metallurgy. For extractive metallurgy, we have Iron and Steel Making by Ahindra Ghosh. This is a combined book for both iron and steel making, and this is sufficient for the gate point of view. And now move towards the mass balance and the extractive metallurgy, non-ferrous extractive metallurgy. So for non-ferrous extractive metallurgy, we have HSRay, and for mass balance, you can prefer NPTEL videos, or you can solve from the Ahindra Ghosh book itself. And if you find something in the internet, also it can be useful to you. And now the manufacturing part, you have a data and rest from the NPTEL notes. That is enough, I think. And for mechanical metallurgy, the most famous is the data. So that's all for the gate syllabus.
Yeah, so you have covered from physical metallurgy to extractive metallurgy and the basic concept of material science and everything. So I hope that my viewers will get benefit from it. Okay, so these were the syllabus-wise books one must follow. Now, I would like to ask the one thing. I mean, okay, so in your point of view, what are do's and don'ts one gate aspirant must follow? I mean, what the things we should avoid during preparation?
So let's talk about the don'ts. And first thing, you should maintain regularity during your preparation. That do not lose concentration from the gate. And second thing is that be in touch with those members who will continuously motivate you, who will positively guide you, and do not be in contact with those members who demotivate you that gate do not have any scope.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा,
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. And
yeah, so
and do not study too much. Like if you are studying any topic related to the activity in thermodynamics, and do not watch 40-30 videos, 40-50 videos in that topic. So it will waste your time and also waste your effort. Instead of that, you should stick to your syllabus, take continuously guidance from your seniors and your peers, and do not involve in any social media related activities. Always keep your phone away from you so that you can always be in concentration in your aim.
Yeah, in our this highly effective social life, there is high chance that anyone can be distracted. Even if you're studying you're focused so well and you're solving numerical so well, and suddenly one sound beeps up like, yeah, there is one message on WhatsApp, and you just open the WhatsApp to see the message, and you start scrolling all the status, and you suddenly spend your 1 hour, and you didn't even realize. So I can feel that yeah, that's the important point. So these are the don'ts, like they should follow, like they should stick with your syllabus, they should be always in contact with the seniors and someone who can guide them. And the last one was the punctuality. Like if you are preparing today for 8 hours and suddenly you are disappeared for next 2 days, so that is not gonna work. Yeah. Okay, so at the last, if you have anything to say to our viewers, last tips.
So last thing is you can prepare the notes during your study. So whatever you are studying during your gate preparation, always keep track of your notes so that it will help you in at the final revision. Then always read the interviews of the top rankers and the ones who have cleared the gate, so that you have always been touch with that whatever you have, whatever they have faced the problems, you will not face that. So make sure you must read about that, and always be motivated. Do not think about your future. It depends totally upon your hard work and some factor on your luck.
Yeah, so that was really a nice talk, Vineet. You have given everything you have. And if our viewers have any doubt or any comment, I hope that they will ask in the comment box, and will convey to you. And I hope that you will reply them or respond them, right?
Yes, always.
Okay, always, as always. So thanks, Vineet, for giving us time. And I hope that your ideas will motivate many ones, and they can replicate your achievements, and they can touch different heights in their life. So thanks, Vineet, for your time.